I'm the last Jew in the Azores. I'm the last one, and that's all. Here is my mother, my aunt, my grandfather, and my grandmother. There are no more community in the Azores. I'm the last one, and all the rest died and went away.
I was told that there was a synagogue in Ponta Delgada. I was very surprised and said, "Well, I never saw," and I was born here. In countries where the Jewish religion is a minority, the synagogues were kept in like a secret in the interior of the houses. This was the rabbi's house.
My grandfather lives near the synagogue, and we go at the synagogue all Saturdays. Some prayers are in Hebrew with my grandfather, and the others is in Portuguese when he died, because nobody knows Hebrew enough to do this. Pity, lots of pity. And I saw that I was going to die, and the synagogue is going to falling down.
Eu sou de facto membro da Igreja Católica, sou cristão, no entanto tenho uma ascendência, como todos nós, judaico-cristã, e como tal carrego em mim uma herança também ela judaica. E que, com muito orgulho que estou envolvido há 15 anos neste projeto.
Então, quando é que nós temos o telhado fechado?
Principal amanhã.
Amanhã fica tudo fechado. Ótimo. We had to take the roof out because the original roof had a wood structure, and this wood structure was infested by termites.
It comes from Jerusalem. It's being sent to the Azores with the stamp of... We had no idea what we were going to find, particularly since there hadn't been a living community here for decades.
Who brought these box here?
This is wonderful. This is very... Lo and behold, these were Jews who were not isolated and unknown, but they were part of a much larger story.
They came here in the beginnings of the 19th centuries from Tanger, and my grandfather, and he went back to Tanger to marry with my grandmother, and he returned, and he has 2 sons.
So here was this wonderful, multi-layered, multicultural, deeply, profoundly Jewish community.
Yes.
Yeah, this is
Saturday.
Moladon?
the holidays.
Holidays?
Holiday.
In a way, I feel that our Jewish ancestors, because we Portuguese have Jewish ancestors, even if we don't know, and in a way, I think I honored my past and our local past history, working and allowing this building to come back to life.
Daí que para mim é momento de enorme alegria ver este projeto chegar ao fim dentro de meses.
And I hope to be here to be there in the opening of the synagogue.